Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data for the purpose of assisting in making a more effective decision. So look at the question. Question 1. The table below shows the weekly expenses in Ringgit Malaysia of pupils at a school canteen in March 2018. So weekly expenses is range above RM5. So from RM0 to RM5, they have 8 pupils, 5 to 10 ringgit, 13 pupils, 10 to 15 ringgit, 28 pupils, 15 to 20, 41 pupils, and the last one is 20 to 25 ringgit, have 10 pupils. So the first question is find the mean and variance for the above data, and the second one is draw a histogram to represent the above data, hence state the shape of distribution. So next, before we find the mean and variance, we should complete the table. So as the question give, they just give the weekly expenses and the number of pupils. So we should find the cumulative frequency, middle point, fx. Fx is the frequency multiple the middle point, and x power of 2 is the middle point power of 2, and the fx power of 2. So the frequency multiple the middle point power of 2. So this is the result for the data. So the cumulative frequency, how to find the cumulative frequency? We should add all the frequency. So the middle point is the range for the weekly expenses is divided by 2. So the frequency fx, to find the fx, we just multiple the frequency and the middle point, and middle point power of 2, x power of 2 is just a middle point power of 2, and the last one is the frequency multiple the middle point power of 2. So the result is shown below. So next is look at the first question is find the mean and variance for the above data. So how to find mean? The formula for mean is EFX divided by EF. So the total of the frequency multiple the middle point divided by the total of frequency. So we get the 14.1. So how to find variance? So this is the formula for the variance. EFX power of 2 minus EFX kurungan power of 2 divided by the total of frequency divided by the total frequency minus 1. So the result is 29.2323. So B is draw a histogram to represent the above data. So to draw a histogram to represent the data, number of pupils we put in the left side, and the weekly expenses in Ringgit Malaysia we put in the below, and the title for the histogram we put above histogram. So weekly expenses in Ringgit Malaysia of pupils at a school canteen in March 2018 is shown below. So weekly expenses in Ringgit Malaysia of people at the school canteen in March 2018 is shown at the histogram. It shows that more pupils spend their money RM15 to RM20. So next, after we get the histogram, we go to state the shape of distribution. So how to state the shape of distribution? We should find the standard deviation and percent coefficient first.